The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Spring Green to 6 miles northwest of New Glarus to 6 miles west of Monroe, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Madison, Sun Prairie, Fitchburg, Middleton, Stoughton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, McFarland, Monadnock, Mount Horeb, Windsor, DeForest, Cottage Grove, Cross Plains, Belleville, Deerfield, New Glarus and Shorewood Hills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.